Welcome to this video that is a LinkedIn tutorial on how everybody is going to be able to find their job just a little bit faster. I want to help everybody who's an immigrant living in Israel. So here's where you start on the LinkedIn. So the first thing that you do when you arrive to the LinkedIn.com job site area is you need to pick, of course, where you want to find a job, whether it's in the whole country or in a specific city. Of course, you do have that option. Put in the type of job that you're looking for. Now, once you do put in the job type that you're looking for, you have the choice to receive alerts regarding that job type, meaning LinkedIn will send you an email and or a notification on the app every time they post a job in the field that you're interested in. The Easy Apply feature is very convenient for uploading your resume and applying in the fastest way you possibly can. So once you refine your search, whether it's searching over the last week or the last month, you can move forward to the classic view. So when you first start looking, they give you a split view. I find it to be a bit distracting. I think the classic view is the best and simplest view for you to see as many jobs as you can in the neatest, orderly possible way. After you've refined your search, you've put in the field that you want to get a job in, you've put the city in, you refined your search, you've already uploaded your beautiful resume, then you can go ahead and get specific. Once you hit the specific search buttons and you get in there and you don't happen to find anything that you're looking for, feel free to take a few steps backwards. The next thing you can do is start to research the different companies in the different fields that you happen to be interested in. And if you're interested in a very specific field, start there. Start with something that you do want to do. Keep trying, keep researching, understand the companies that you're looking for, and understand what they are looking for, more importantly, whether it's the field of engineering or computer design. Start there. Fill out your resume, and then you'll start to notice where your profile will start to match the job types that you're looking for. So the next thing I want to show you is the ability to delete your past resumes. When you've in the past applied to a place, you can see whether they've seen your application or not. Many of the places you apply to will not have seen your application, and many of them will. Either way, if they're over a month old or 2 months old, you may consider to delete the application or the resume. And you do that by clicking on this button here. And you'll notice in the fine print it tells you that it's going to remove you from the company's database and you cannot apply for another job there within the next week. That's perfectly fine, because you'd rather apply for a job there in a week than have your resume sitting at the bottom of a 4-month-old resume stack with hundreds of other candidates on top of your resume. So keep that in mind. Go back into the past, delete the old resumes, and give yourself a fresh new chance to succeed when you're trying to find a job. Another thing I want to recommend is to add Sales Development Israel into your LinkedIn connections. You can reach us there anytime you have any questions whatsoever. We're happy to help. Other than that, good luck on your job search and all the best to you.